And the mysterious boom in Italian exports to China is linked to Pfizer Inc.'s plant producing the anti-COVID drug Paxlovid. And the antiviral drug is manufactured in the central Italian city of Ascoli Piceno in the Marche region. The plant was picked by the U.S. pharma giant to produce Paxlovid for the global market alongside two other sites in Germany and Ireland, according to a spokesman for Pfizer. And last year, Pfizer's Italian plant reported an export value linked to Paxlovid for about 8.5 billion euros. At the end of 2022, the plant signed a deal with Chinese authorities to provide Paxlovid for China's market, the spokesman added. In the first quarter, Pfizer sold about 5 million pieces of Paxlovid to China, for a value equal to about 3 billion euros. Showing the complexity of global supply chains for pharmaceutical goods and other high-tech products. The Chinese trade data doesn't show such a huge spike from Italy, but does show a big jump in drug imports from Ireland. One of the other production sites, Chinese imports of drugs from Ireland, rose almost 650% in April to $1.2 billion. After a 100% increase in March, data released this month shows. In contrast, shipments from Italy last month were worth $240 million. Last year, Pfizer invested about 40 million euros for new machinery in the Ascoli Piceno plant, hiring 200 new workers for a total of about 1,000, the spokesman added. Ascoli Piceno is one of the primary packaging plants for Paxlovid. Spokesman for Pfizer in Asia said, tells us that total about influence in Canada we're looking for at a value of Italy's exports to China have tripled in little more than a year, surpassing 3 billion euros in February. But the effect of Pfizer medicine almost faded in a March, causing a 1.2 billion euro drop in exports compared with the month before. Paxlovid exports also caused a record high in the average price of pharmaceuticals exports to China, which in February surpassed 4,000 euros per kilogram, the highest since January 1988, when Eurostat series started. And Paxlovid is just one of the medical treatments helping Pfizer keep its financial resilience since the end of the pandemic. Alongside Pfizer's COVID vaccine Comirnaty, Paxlovid transformed the company, contributing more than half its $100 billion in sales in 2022.